I made a beautiful card today using the Sunflower 3D embossing folder, and I copied I got my inspiration from page 90 of Stampin' Up's annual catalog. Now, the card that I used for my inspiration had strips of paper on it, so I did that same type of effect, kind of making a little bit of an ombre look. And then I'm using my folder to make that beautiful image on there. Now to kind of really accent the embossing, I used my white stamp pad there and I just kind of lightly drug it along, and look how it picks up on the raised pieces. It's so beautiful. Now, since I just used a folder, I needed to pull in a stamp set for the sentiment, and then I just layered it up with some ribbon and gems. So you can go to my website, madetocreatewithlisa.com, and all of the details will be on there for you. You can search for Sunflower Folder, madetocreatewithlisa.com.